Hi, my name is Mita Kude. My partner is Alyssa Miranda, and we're going to be talking about the hospital database that we have programmed for this project. So our website application is made up of using PHP connected to a remote MySQL server. Both of these were provided by NJIT, and both of these utilities are open source, safe, and secure for web applications. These will help protect the sensitive patient and employee data because people's social security numbers are going to be included in the databases that we have programmed. But it also keeps it easily accessible for for the hospital employees who need to access it. So I wanted to talk about patients being able to view the hospital owners first. The address at which all of these pages have been created are going to be provided in the presentation. This page for hospital owners will allow patients to see stakeholders in the hospital to avoid claims of corruption, and it updates with every physician that purchases part of the hospital. Then the personnel database will allow us to search for specific employees or to get a list of them that will meet a certain criteria. The physician database in the personnel table will automatically update when the personnel table is updated with a new entry. So as you can see, you can create a personnel entry just as itself, or you can create a personnel entry for a physician, a nurse, or a support staff member. And you can also create a record for nurses in the personnel table, and that will automatically update the nurse table with a new entry using the trigger that has been programmed into the personnel table. Now, my partner is going to talk more about support staff and further features of the database application.
So this page of the support staff allows you to create a new record for a member of the support staff, and the personnel table will automatically update with that trigger, with the new entry. Entering a consultation, an employee can enter the date, the time, patient ID, any information that's needed, including the attending physician, reason for their visit, diagnosis, and result. If the patient is diagnosed with an allergy, the allergy table is updated with that trigger. If the patient is diagnosed with an illness, the illness table is updated also. If any medicine is prescribed, staff members are taken to the prescription screen where they can create a new record of prescription. And drug interactions are shown in the table displaying whether there's no interaction, little interaction, moderate interaction, or high interaction that shows on the patient screen. So this is just the screen that they will see. Displaying patient data, you can search for a patient using their patient ID. That displays all patient data that the hospital has inpatient, if applicable, allergies, illnesses, medications, previous consultations, and names of primary care physicians and attending nurses. You can enter prescriptions where you can enter date, physician ID, patient, medication, dosage, and frequency. The employee page, you can start by entering the employee ID. And there you can enter first name, last name, gender, address, phone, social security number, and job title. And job title entered will take the user to a different screen where they can fill out the job dependent data. Future additions, security features will require a longer password made of multiple words instead of a string of random letters, according to the guidelines set by security experts. Streamlined design makes it easier than ever to schedule shifts and ensure peak hospital performance. And individual requirements for each client come preloaded and pre-tested to reduce required maintenance time.